guys, welcome to another video. So we've had a parcel from Born Pretty, some new cat eye gel polishes, wait till you see these, and we've also received their new 5D sculpting gel. So this is the 5D sculpting gel. So it's a clear sculpting gel. You get a 15mm tube, you screw the lid off and you've got the application nozzle there. Really nice fine application nozzle, I must add. Wait until you see that as well. It's a really cool product. You've got the ingredients on the back there, and it cures for 60 seconds in an LED light. So we will have a look at that afterwards, but we're going to have a look at these cat eye gel polishes first. So these 5 cat eyes are out of the same collection. You'll see the name of this collection is called Coloured Water. So there you can see they're all out the same collection. So I've just popped them all in order because I want to give them a swatch and have a little look at them. So I've just put them in the right order to start with. So you get 10ml in these bottles. You've got the colour name and number on the label on the lid. You've got your ingredients on the back there. If you want to have a quick look through those, you can just pause the video. I think you should be able to see that, hopefully. I think you can. These also cure for 60 seconds. So, let's have a look and get them swatched, shall we? So this first one is MY384, which is the green. As you can see, they apply like a bit like a jelly gel, quite translucent. So that's what that looks like as a full cover colour without the cat eye effect. You can see it's more brighter over a black. When I put the black glove behind it, it is more vibrant. So I've pulled my magnet out. I'm going to bring that cat eye effect out now. Oh, and you can see, look at that green, guys. Brings out a really beautiful bright emerald green. So now I'm going to use the paper clip on the end of my magnet, and we're going to do the viral cat eye heart trend. So I'm just holding that in place, making sure that heart's nice and straight. And then once I'm happy with that heart, we'll have a look at it. Guys, look at this. Oh, look at them 2 different shades of green. Oh my days. My favourite cat eyes to date, for sure. So this one is MY385, which looks to be the purple. Guys, I am so excited to see the rest of these. That first one was amazing. So that's what it looks like without the magnetic cat eye effect. Just as a full cover colour. Pull the magnet out, give it a little wiggle, bring that cat eye effect out. Oh, look at that purple shining through. I can see this one's going to be well smart. Look at that purple. And I love that they're on a clear base as well. These are going to be great for doing aurora nails, aren't they? I've got so many ideas in mind for these. So we're now going to do the viral cat eye heart trend. So we're going to hold the paper clip in place until we're happy with that heart. Guys, look at this one as well. Oh, pink and purple. I love it. Right, so I'm going to swatch the rest of these, pop a little bit of music on and speed the swatching up just while we swatch these last 3. So I'll let you get on and watch them, and then I'll pop back in once they're all swatched. And that is all 5 of them swatched, guys. They've also had a coat of Born Pretty Super Top Coat as well. It's a super glossy top coat. It's stain resistant, scratch resistant, anti-yellowing. It's a really great top coat. It's like one of my go-to top coats when I do my nails. Guys, what do you think to these cat eyes? They are amazing, aren't they? These are exactly what I have been hoping Born Pretty are going to bring out for a while now. So a cat eye with a clear base and then a really vibrant cat eye effect. But these are even better because you got the 2 different colour effects. Oh my god, they are so cool, aren't they? So now I want to try these cat eyes over different base colours just to see if they're going to work. I think they are because the base is pretty clear. So we're going to try it over this blue one first. So we're going to try this pink one over the blue because I want to try quite contrasting colours. So I think a pink over a blue is going to look wicked. So can you see it's not really made much difference to the colour of that blue. So we're now bringing the cat eye effect out with the magnet. Look at that, guys. Look at that pink over the blue. So now we're going to do the heart. Yeah, look at that, guys. How cool does that look? You're not really getting the 2 colours showing over the blue, but it still looks really, really cool. So I'm just going to wipe that off because that is a swatch stick that I need to keep. Can you see as well, where I've cleaned that off, it doesn't really leave much of a mark. So you can see how clear that base really is. It is pretty clear. So I think we're going to try this green one now. And over the green, we'll try the orange. Oh, let's see if this works. So you can see, just as a full cover colour, it's leaving a slight golden hue to that green. And then when we bring that cat eye effect out, oh, it's bringing that gorgeous bright orange effect. And then that's what it looks like with the heart. Look at that. Oh, I love these. These are exactly what I've been looking for. Love it. Right, give that one a wipe and we'll just see if that leaves anything on the white lint-free pad. Again, not really leaving much look at all, so you can see how clear that base is. And then we'll just try one more. So we'll try this grey. And over the grey, we'll apply the lime green colour. So again, as a full cover colour, it's not really making any difference to that grey. And then bring that cat eye effect out with the magnet. Oh, look at that. This is going to look so cool. I can see it now. Look at that. How cool does that look? And you are getting the 2 different colours on that one as well. You are getting the green and the yellow. Ooh, love it. Right, so that's all the cat eyes now. Lastly, we're going to take a little look at this 5D sculpting gel. What I really like about this sculpting gel is you've got a really nice super fine nozzle. So I'm going to show you how to make some nail charms using the silicone moulds. So unscrew the lid and stretch out that mould as much as you can, just so you can get right in them corners. This fine application nozzle is really helpful as well to get right in them corners. Make sure it's all filled up. Always clean that nozzle as well, guys. Always make sure you keep it nice and clean. I'm just going to add a little bit to my glove, just like a little swirly pattern. And we're going to see how well that holds its shape. Because if that holds its shape in that nice thin strip, then this is going to be great for doing them 3D texture nails. Look at that, it's holding its shape really well so far. So we're going to pop that in the lamp to cure. Just giving it a little stretch, make sure that it's right in them corners. I'm just going to remove any excess that's spilled out. Just using some isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free pad. So, I'm not going to cure that bit on my glove. I'm just going to cure the silicone mould. So, that's had 60 seconds in the lamp. We're just going to pop that out. Nice and easy. Pops out really, really easy, actually. Look, that's still holding its shape. And that's been on there probably about 1 minute and 30 seconds now. And that is the little bow that we made. So this 5D sculpting gel, you can also mix pigment powders into it. You can mix gel colours into it. So I'm just cleaning off that silicone mould with some isopropyl alcohol. Just to get rid of any excess that's on there. And I've pulled out this green chrome powder. And I'm just going to show you that because this 5D sculpting gel cures without a tacky layer, you can burnish chrome powder into it as well. It is a really versatile little product. So many different ways you can mix colours into it. Just looking back at this, as you can see, that has still held its shape beautifully. What a great product. So there we are, guys. That is all the swatches. Oh my days, how pretty are these? I have been waiting for Born Pretty to bring some cat eyes out like these, where you've got like a clear base with really bright magnetic cat eye particles. So happy that you can use them over different colours. I've got some really cool ideas in mind for these. See here, the bases are looking a little bit dark, but they're a lot lighter to the eye than what my camera's showing them. You got to remember, I have turned one of my recording lights off at the minute as well, just so you can see that beautiful magnetic cat eye effect. So that base is looking a little bit darker than what it actually is to the eye. It is pretty clear. And that's why you can use them over different base colours. How cool are they, guys? I love that you got the 2 different colours to each one as well. Oh, they're just so pretty. I love them. And that clear 5D sculpting gel is a really cool product as well. I love how it holds its shape. That is going to be great for doing them 3D texture nails. I love how well it holds its shape. And I like that it cures without a tacky layer as well, which means you can burnish chrome powders into it, like I did on that bow. It's a great product for making 3D charms as well. Do you know what, guys? I'm going to say it. This is my most favourite Born Pretty parcel I've received ever. These products are so exciting. I've said a few times about some cat eyes, haven't I, where they've been slightly clear base or quite a milky coloured base, hoping that you can use them over different colours. But these are exactly what I've been looking for. Yeah, can you see there? I was just trying to show you how clear that base actually is. It is actually a lot clearer to the eye. So guys, all these products that I've showed you today, I'm going to leave links for in my description box below. So if you are interested in anything, all you got to do is click that link. It will take you straight to that item. If you do decide to place yourself an order, I have found a massive 22% off discount code for Born Pretty at the minute. Like I said in my previous videos, this isn't my discount code. This is a discount code which is more beneficial to you. My discount code is only 12%. I mean, you can use my discount code if you want. I will put that in the description box below. But all I want you to do is save the most amount of money that you can. So I am going to give you a bigger discount code to use, and that way you'll save 22% off your whole order. And that is everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.